Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix gamepad or controller not working issue on Dark Souls 3 game. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to update your controller drivers. For that you have to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue continues, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once done, launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. Next method is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys, as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch it and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, some other troubleshooting tips to follow is clear cache on Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, and here go below you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam. So confirm it, and after that log into Steam with your username and password and then try to launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If you are using wired plug for controller, then unplug and replug it once. Also suggested to use big picture mode for the game. So when you go to Steam, select your game. Here is the big picture mode. You have to enter it, and after that exit big picture mode, and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.